Hi, Matt.
Hey, Norm. How you doing?
Great. So tell me about this project.
Well, we've been asked to reproduce the carvings for the Newel post at the Belmont house. We received the Newel post already turned to match the existing Newel posts. So what we're doing is matching the existing carvings. Right now, we're in the process of doing that. If you want to come have a look.
I want to see that.
All right.
Look at this shop. This is a classic.
Thank you. So here's our Newel post.
Look at these.
The small one's all done, and we're just finishing up the big one.
Ah, this longleaf southern pine. It's reclaimed material. It's beautiful. It matches what's originally at the house.
Yep.
And the carvings. You got the flower up here at the top, and then these leaf designs down here at the bottom. I see you have a photograph. It looks like you made a perfect match.
Thank you.
But you can't do that from just a photograph. There's a whole process, right?
Well, that's right. We have to make a template first. What we have here, this is the template for the lower carving. And the first thing you do is you take a piece of paper, trace paper, and tape it on the Newel post.
Right.
And you take a charcoal pencil and rub the whole thing down. And what that's going to do is bring out the design of the carving.
Right, so I see part of the carving, but there's a lot of other things going on here.
That's right. A lot of the wood grain comes through and any scratches. So what we want to do is get a cleaner copy. How we're going to do that is we're going to make our own carbon copy. Again, take the charcoal, rub the back of the paper, grab your new piece of paper, lay it on top, and then trace out the carving.
Right, so you're making your own carbon paper.
That's right. And what that does is
much clearer.
Transfers the design.
Right, and I see you've transferred the whole thing onto this piece now.
Yep. And essentially to get this on the wood, we're going to do the same exact thing. Flip it over, hit it with a little charcoal, lay it on the post, and then again, draw out the design.
All right.
And that gives you a perfect match.
It works well. You can see it quite clearly.
Yep.
So then you're ready to start carving, right?
Not just yet.
Really?
Carving, it can be a one-shot deal, so it's good to do a few practice runs. So we take a board of similar material and try out different chisels, different techniques, just to make sure we have what's going to work.
Right, so here you've laid out part of the flower and practiced on that, and I see you have a whole series of carving tools, which is really necessary for all the different details.
Exactly.
And here's the large Newel post that's going to go at the bottom of the stair. You've carved the flowers at the top here. What do you got left?
Well, we just got a little bit left on this lower carving.
Oh yeah, okay.
So for this carving, we used a narrow gouge, and what this does just matches the profile of what's already there. And what we're going to do is take our mallet and get right into it. So the key is just line it up and really just follow in the line.
So, this southern yellow pine is really hard to carve. It's difficult.
It is difficult. The biggest challenge is the differences in density of the wood. The darker wood is really dense, the lighter wood is really soft. So as you're going through it, you see these inconsistencies, and it's key to be really steady. It's okay if we go a little light. I can always come back and go a little deeper.
And some of the carving is with the grain, and some of it's against the grain, which can be difficult.
Exactly.
So you really need sharp tools.
That's right. For this carving, I sharpened it probably 3 times through the whole thing, which is kind of a lot. There it is.
So that's it. You make it look easy.
Thank you. It's something we love doing. I love the challenge of it and trying to reproduce something that the original craftsman did.
Right, we have a great skill set.
Thank you. I look forward to seeing it.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.